What's up? Welcome back. This is a part of my clothing brand that's coming out soon. Answer.
My boy, what up though?
What
I
up?
need a shirt for this catering event coming up.
Okay. Did you email it?
Did you get the email I sent?
Oh.
Can you do that?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to use sublimation, but I got you.
What's sublimation?
It's if you would subscribe to the channel, you would know.
Ha! I'm definitely subscribed. And if y'all watching this video, y'all definitely subscribe too. And if y'all like this video, definitely hit the like button also. Why not?
Word.
On that note, peace and love. Mars.
So yo, you might be wondering, what is sublimation? Check this out. How do I explain this? So yo, sublimation is the process of taking a solid and transferring it by way of gas to another object. So, for instance, a common example of sublimation will be something like dry ice. So for that, I'll be using my Sawgrass Sublimation Printer. My Sawgrass printer is a printer that's made for sublimation. Like, this printer doesn't need to be converted. It can also print on vinyl, but for this, we'll be printing on transfer paper. So the printer comes with its own downloadable software through the internet. This includes Print Manager, which comes with all the bells and whistles you would need to determine what type of transfer paper or vinyl you will be printing on. And yes, it prints on vinyl. Oh, before you get too excited, if you're new to sublimation, just know that whatever you put your sublimation on, it has to be polyester or something with high polyester content. Some people print on other things, but I can only tell you what's best practice. And that polyester should be some light polyester color or white color, so that the dye sublimation that you use can come through. With the Sawgrass, what you want to do is jump into the Sawgrass Creative Studio. After you jump into the Creative Studio, you want to hit Start Creating. At that point, you want to kind of select your canvas size. While Creative Studio is not necessary, it's highly recommended to use for the best outcome of your image. And I'll be selecting a 8.5 by 14 size sign landscape to print this out. Once that's selected, I'll go ahead and select my image, upload my image, and then from there, I'm gonna hit print. Once your image is ready, it's gonna go into the Print Manager queue. I'll just be selecting print from here, and it will print my image. We're gonna take this image that's been printed and mirrored, and we're gonna press this at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. So now I'm gonna turn the heat press on. If you guys wanna support the channel, please check out the affiliate link for Heat Transfer Warehouse down below. Also, any other products that are linked below, don't be afraid to check them out. And if you can't do that, please go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on. So I'm still gonna take this image and fold it just a smidget from end to end. Grab my t-shirt ruler here. All right, yo, so we are officially at 400 degrees. Let's press this bad boy. 60 seconds. I didn't have any issues, but in order to protect your heat press, I suggest you use parchment paper or butcher paper. Sublimation. All right, until next time, yo. Peace.